Welcome back to our kitchen. Today I need to show you how to make delicious banana bread. Hello guys, this is the ingredients I need to do for our banana bread. So I use the overripe banana. This is the good one what we need to use because this smells good already. So this is what I am using. This is for banana, ripe banana guys. So what we need to do is I need to smash this one like this. Be sure like the banana is not the small one. You need to have like medium size of banana. I like this one guys because it's they have already the aroma of the banana is already you can smell very much the aroma. So that is the nice one on there. So next is this is butter. The butter, one of this stick we need to put all of this. This is one stick of butter I was using. This is already you need to moist the butter like soft. It's a soften the butter, so you need to do that. And I have 1/4 of oil. You can use any of oil. If you have olive oil, virgin olive, that's okay, or vegetable oil, what oil you are, that is what I need to do. So that is 1/4 and 1 stick of the butter. So that is I using like the salted butter. Next is egg. So we need to have, this is large egg, so I need to use 3 eggs only. If you have small size of egg, you can use 4 eggs. Just doing like that guys. See, you need to be sure to watch it's not the shell of the egg. And the next is I put 1/4 of milk. Whole milk I'm using. 1/4 only, 1/4. See, 1/4 of whole milk I'm using. So what you need to do is you just mix like that. You mix this one, and then I need to use this one guys. This is the mixer we need to use on this for mixing the it's already so don't forget to like guys. If you are not subscribed, you can subscribe our channel so that you can follow our always uploading videos. So like and subscribe, and you can share if you like to share. So this is what you need to do. This is what you need to do guys. You need to mix. This is liquid only we are mixing the liquid. Okay, you don't have an already. It's no bubble and everything is okay now. So what we need to do is next will be in the flour. So we have two and a half cup of flour. So what I'm using this one is all-purpose flour. So 1, 2, 1/2. This is half, guys. 2 and a half of flour I'm using in this. And 3 teaspoon of baking soda, guys. 3 teaspoon. So 3 teaspoon we need to put the baking soda. It's a baking soda, 3 teaspoon. So 1 teaspoon. 2, 3. So that is 3 teaspoon of baking soda is added. 3 teaspoon and 1 cup of brown sugar I'm using. That's 1 cup, and then 1 and a half. I have half in here. So 1 and a half of brown sugar. And 1 teaspoon of salt. You have 1 teaspoon of salt, guys. I need to put 1 teaspoon of salt. This is optional. If you do not like to put salt in your banana, that is fine. And we have option to, if you like putting like nuts, we have different kind of nuts like almond nuts, peanut, or walnuts. Yeah, so you can add, guys. You can add. That is optional if you like. And then now what we need to do is we need to mix on this. So we need to mix. So I will use the mixer. We need to use the mixer again. So just use like this, do that. This is delicious banana, guys. Banana bread. Oh, oops. And guys, you can see like it's already clean. It didn't have bubbles. It means that is already done. So I will off this mixer. So this is done. We need to put already in um the baking uh, pan. So that's done. It's done already. So this is what we need to do. We need to put a little butter in our baking baking pan like that, so that they will not stick. They will not stick in the baking pan. So when we are, if they are cooked, so be sure to put oil or butter. So I put butter in my baking bread baking pan. So this is what I'm putting, guys. So I need to put this. So butter, so that they will not stick in the baking pan. I use this one. This is the Pyrex baking pan, but you can use the other one too. So there you go. You need to do is the butter in here. And this is bit in there. Mix, mix, mix. Put in the very much. So what we need to do is mix it. Then we need half to half on this. Half and half. We'll see. Half and half to put in the then see where's this good. Oh, this is enough for two. For two. This is heavy one. Heavy is mixing bowl. Mixing bowl, guys, is heavy. It's nice. So this one, the other one, I need to put more a little bit. You don't want to put in the like lots, guys. You need to be half. There you go. Don't waste anything in here because delicious. This is so guys, is you need to move like this so that it's even. So just doing like that, you need to shake a little bit. And then our oven is already reheating for 350, and then you need to cook on this for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Hello guys, this is the delicious banana bread is already done. So I need to show you, and I will cut right now on this. So I need to remove on this first to put in the there you go. So the other one is still hot in here. So we need to cut on this. I will cut. Still hot, guys. Very hot. Still hot. So I'm cutting on this, guys, when you are serving on this. So this is very soft. It's because it's very hot. We are cutting, this is hot, so that's why it's falling. It's hot. This is the problem because it's hot. Now, guys, the delicious banana bread is done, and this is ready to serve. Ready to serve. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe if you are not subscribed my channel, and don't forget to share if you want to share. Thank you very much, and enjoy baking. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.